Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so guys. You all are fine. So viewers, I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is all about ideas signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful popsicle ideas for you guys. This is super amazing and very unique and outstanding popsicle ideas for you guys. These are super trending and very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are very beautiful and trending ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you like this video and you guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super trending and very classy and very amazing popsicle ideas for you guys. So you must try at your homes and decorate your homes with these amazing popsicles craft work. And guys, if you want different other and very interesting ideas or videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. Then I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Follow for more details. These are stunning, these are very unique and very beautiful and very classy ideas for you guys. Follow for more details, and these are very amazing and very unique and very stunning collection for you guys. Hope so guys you enjoyed this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. Take care and remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.